Okay, what we have here is a GFCI receptacle that is tripping under various conditions, and as you can see now, it is in the reset position. We'll hit the test button. It kicks the reset out, and when we hit the reset, it locks in. Now we'll take this night light here, plug it into the bottom receptacle, or bottom half of the receptacle, and it works. No problem. Oh, it just tripped. Let's reset it. Plug it back in the bottom. And we're going to pull it out off. And again, the ground fault trips. We'll plug it in the top here. And it trips off. Reset. Now, tripped again. Let's take something else like this toothbrush AC adapter. Nothing on the other end. And we'll plug it in. And it trips. And again, we have a trip. So we'll replace this receptacle and see if there's any problems inside the box here. Loose wires, something cut. It's an older receptacle, and it's got some looks like green corrosion on the ungrounded side of the receptacle, as well as general dirt and grease. So yeah, we'll change this out and see where we stand.